Hi, it's Marie from Rhythm and Strings Music Therapy, and I wanted to share a tactile book that we created for a student with visual impairment. So I wanted to find a book that had some outdoor objects, outside objects for this student, but I couldn't find one, and so I decided to make this book, and it was very easy. I just ordered these little wood squares off of Amazon. Everything else I got from a local craft store. I used zip ties to attach the pages and also the objects, which I wanted to use zip ties because then it's really easy to replace the objects. Once they're glued on, it's kind of messy to try to replace the objects if something happens to them. I also wanted the student to really be able to feel the objects, which if they were glued down, you wouldn't be able to feel them as much. And lastly, I wanted it to be fairly secure. So this is the song that I wrote to accompany this story. And usually this is flat on a table, and it goes like this. When I'm getting ready to go outside, I make sure my shoes are tied up tight. If it's cold, I'll put on a coat. Zip up the zipper and away we go. Footsteps, footsteps sound like this. As we walk, walk, walk. And that part, the footsteps, I actually have footsteps recorded on this switch, and so the student actually fills in the footsteps part with this switch here. And we turn the page. And I usually have the student feel the pictures before we sing each verse. Outside, outside, I can explore. So much to touch and feel just beyond my door. Here are some leaves. Leaves grow on trees. In fall, they drop to the ground, make a crunchy sound. Crunch, crunch, crunch. And then the chorus again. When I'm getting ready to go outside, I make sure my shoes are tied up tight. If it's cold, I'll put on my coat. Zip up the zipper and away we go. Footsteps, footsteps sound like this. As we walk, walk, walk. We'll feel the page. Outside, outside, I can explore. So much to touch and feel just beyond my door. Here are fuzzy plants and a stick from a tree. When the wind blows, it blows by me. Whoosh, 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 whoosh. When I'm getting ready to go outside, make sure my shoes are tied up tight. If it's cold, I'll put on my coat. Zip up the zipper and away we go. And we'll feel the last page. Outside, outside, I can explore. So much to touch and feel just beyond my door. Here is bark from a tree, feathers from a bird. High up in the branches, their sounds can be heard. Which is a lot easier to do without a mask on. In school, I have a mask on, so sometimes I just do the sound, doo, 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 if a whistle won't come out with a mask. And then we do the chorus one last time, and that's the whole book. And obviously you can kind of elaborate if there are more objects you wanted to add in. But I was thrilled to find these pages because The next book will be all just different squishy and soft, rough, smooth, all textures. And this came in a 16 pack, so we have a lot more books to be made. So I hope you enjoy trying that song, and let us know if you have any questions. Have a good one.